My name is Alwin. I am from Computer Science Engineering, Srinivas Institute of Technology. My topic is about digital wardrobe. Definition: a digital wardrobe often involves the use of smartphone app or software platform. Users of digital wardrobe. Inventory management. Users can input their cloth items into app, often by taking photos or uploading images. This creates a visual inventory of their clothing items. Categorization. Items can be categorized by type: shirts, pants, dresses, etc., color, seasons, and more. This makes it easier to locate specific items when needed. Outfit creations. Users can mix and match their cloth items virtually to create outfits. This app might also suggest combinations based on items in the inventory. Planning. Some apps allow users to plan outfit in advance for specific occasion or day, helping users avoid last-minute outfit dilemmas. Vary tracking. The app might allow users to mark when they last wore or particular item. This can help prevent overuse of some items and encourage rotation. Style inspiration. Some digital wardrobes connect with fashion database to provide style inspiration and trend. Travel packing. Users can plan and pack outfit for trips using the app, ensuring they have everything they needed. Virtual try-on. In more advanced case, augmentation related technology might be used to allow users to virtual try on outfits using their phone's cameras. Wardrobe analytics. Some app offers insight into usage pattern, favorite items, and more, helping users make informed decisions about their clothing. Sustainability. By being more organized and mindful of their clothing choices, users can potentially reduce unnecessary purchase and contribution to a more sustainable lifestyle. Thank you.